One of the main icons on the home page is File Viewer. It's in the center of the bottom row. If you click on File Viewer, this is your storage management system. So here's where I can see all of the files that I've saved. So if I've annotated over something and saved it, it will show up here in my recent files. So if I click on Recent Files, that's going to show me the files that I have recently saved. I can click on Internal Storage. And there will already be folders here created for you, but you can also add new folders to your internal storage. To add new folders to internal storage, you're going to go up to the upper right-hand corner. There's a file and a folder option with a plus sign on them. To add a new folder, I'm going to click on the folder plus sign, the very upper right-hand corner. That will bring up a screen where I can name my folder. And now you can see that shows up as an option for me to save files. So that will help when you're trying to organize your file system. File Commander is also where you can connect to your cloud apps, so like Google Drive. This is where I would suggest that you connect to Google Drive, because if you connect in File Commander, then it will automatically be connected in all the other apps on the panel.
For additional assistance, please contact pd@bloom.com.